Okay. I've just done, I think I've done 2 trades before now. Okay. I'll try and see if I can do one more trade and show you. This account, the balance was at, when I got home now, the balance was like $10. Okay. So I'm trading for, today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to every one of you watching. I just want to use this to make an example, okay, to buttress my points for people who don't understand. Okay, like yesterday, I think I did a video where you should try and watch that video. Live question, okay, live question and answer segment for Project $10 Daily. We talked about a lot of things and I broke down a lot of things as regarding trading on Deriv. Why you should note that Deriv trading has 2 options for traders. Okay, you can either be a option trader or you are a forex trader. Okay, options trader are those people that trades digits, goes outside, touch, rise and fall, name them, accumulator. All those are option tradings. Okay, they are binary options. More or less, you can call people that trade those ones, they trade on Deriv website. Like you see me now, I am on Deriv website. Okay, I am trading on Deriv website. For instance, now I'm trading ends outside, which is similar to, it's very similar to goes outside. What it means, what it simply means is I'm saying the target, the price is going to move outside the 2 barrier that I'm setting. Okay, meaning it's going to move. It's not going to end there. If he goes outside it, I win. But if he stop inside and I say she goes outside, I lose. Okay, so like this one now is supposed to give me like 23%. So imagine if I do 4 trades, it means I can use $2. I'm using $2.5 to actually make $2. That's the target. Now, somebody will say, this money you are trading with is small. I'm showing you now with small one. So you will not say you did not see it. I'm showing you now with small one. So if you see me trade with big 200, 100, 300, or 500, you will not say you don't have 500. Because if you cannot perform magic with $10, you cannot do wonder with 1,000. Not even with 100. If you cannot do anything with $10, you cannot make profit. You are not profitable with $10. How are you going to be profitable with $100? How are you going to be profitable with 1,000? Because the bigger the money, the larger the risk value. Okay, I need you to understand. The bigger the money, the larger the risk value. Okay, right now I'm actually waiting for signal to show up. But pending when signal shows up, I'm going to pause and probably record one trade. But I'm letting you understand this because you will see this, okay? All these options that you are seeing here, they are all Deriv options trading. They are quite different from forex trader. So if you are a forex trader, you must go to this Deriv part where you have to go to. I want you to see this now. There is a Deriv part where you have to go to the portion where you can trade. Okay, so you can see here the Traders Hub, right? Now, in this Traders Hub, what you observe here is that you can see this option, right? Now, I need to break it down for you so that you understand. That's why I'm doing a small version so that you understand. Now, these are all options. You see, on this Deriv trader, you will find all the other options. Accumulator, rise and fall, touch, but there is no goes outside in this one. Okay? This is Deriv bot that allows you to trade. The Deriv bot allows you to trade the options on Deriv. Okay? It allows you to trade on Smart Trader, Deriv trader. This bot allows you, is a bot approved and made by Deriv themselves, so that you can be able to trade and automate your strategy to trade options. Are you getting it? Now, these are options. Smart Trader is the one me I like using a lot, okay, because that was the initial one and the initial phase they started with, okay. Smart Trader, that's the initial phase they started with. So, which is very, very okay. Okay, now, so let's say this Deriv go, you can also trade accumulator, accumulator, there is another one that is like multiplier and all the rest. All these are all options trading. They are all controlled and organized, controlled, influenced, managed by Deriv. I hope you're getting me now. They are all controlled, managed by Deriv. Now, remember I said there is options trading. That's why you see them, they call them options. Then the other one is the CFD. This ones is for Forex trader, MT5. Okay, just a minute. I think my signal is almost here. Don't hang you. Okay, my signal is almost here. I'm waiting for my entry. I'm actually looking at it from, what's it called? Okay, so I've made my entry. So while I'm talking and explaining this about, to you, we'll wait for the result. So while I'm waiting for the result, let me complete my explanation. Okay, now what you observe is that you see all these ones. These are all MT5. You can see C-Trader. It is for MT5. It is for Forex Trader. Deriv X. Deriv X is like their own. It's like Deriv's own MT5. This Deriv X is like Deriv's own MT5. Then this one, the Deriv C-Trader, is like another version of like similar to MetaTrader. Okay, this C-Trader is similar to MetaTrader for a particular version of clients. Okay, this is for a particular version of clients. So if you're interested, it also has its own copy trader as well. Now, all these ones, the standard, financial, whatever, swap free, all of these ones are for Forex trading. They are simply for Forex trading. Are you getting it? They are simply for Forex trading. Nothing more, nothing less. So Deriv trading has two options. Number one, you have options trading, where you can trade goes outside, touch, accumulator, name them, all of them. Okay, there are various of them. Touch, goes outside, ends outside, rise and fall, touch, no touch, digit, and all that. All those ones are all. I may lose this trade that I'm looking at. Okay, it's moving back up. Okay, it's moving back up. Let me go and check my trade so that you get to see. Okay, can you see my trade? I've done my trade and I've won my trade. So what did you can see the trade. Exactly what does this mean? I'm saying it's going to end outside. Now, what do I use to trade this? I also use the same signal for goes outside. Okay, the same signal for goes outside. It's the same signal that is for goes outside that I use for this guy. Okay, it's the same signal. Now, I need you to understand that these are the options they have. Okay, these are all the options they have. You see them, hands outside, touch, rise and fall, higher, lower. And in Deriv options, you can trade in less than 10 minutes, in less than 2 seconds. The lowest, the smallest is 2 seconds. Okay, the smallest, that is 1 tick, 2 seconds. If it is 1x, whatever, is 1 second. Okay, you can go as long as days. You can see this one, it has hours. There are some that depend on the option you want to trade. There are some options that ask days. It can allow you to trade for days. It can allow you to, okay, I don't know if there's going to be another setup, but let me use a different one. Okay, I'm going to use a different one to show you. Now, there is a reason why I'm explaining this. Is because based on the video I did, some people don't even understand. Some people I was seeing questions. So some said, "Oh, going for 10% is too small. That if you lose three times in a row, the number of trades you're going to do is plenty." I agree with you. I did not disagree. But you see, the reason why a lot of people don't make the right progress in my version of trading is assumption. You are assuming that this is forex trading. You are coming to this platform based on the knowledge you have before about trading. Based on the fact that you know and you have heard about martingale, you think you can come and use martingale and you get everything. It's not game ready. It's not game ready at all. The way this thing works is the strategy works with consistency and patience in following the plan. There is a plan, and in the plan, there is an allowance for 2 to 3 losses. But you see, those 2 to 3 losses are not consistent. They are not permanent. They are not constant. It's not as if they are going to show up. If you will stick to the rule and trade by the rule, the lesser you trade, the better for you. But you see, we said somebody should do 3 trades. Now he has done 1 trade. Maybe his first trade, he experienced a loss. And the next thing is he becomes agitated. He started shaking. Now you are shaking. You want to suddenly, all of a sudden, you want to start doing orders. You want to do plenty. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't at all. Okay, you can see this one, touch, rise and fall. Some of them has long duration. Okay, you can trade them for hours. There are a few of them you can trade for days anyway. Maybe they have even removed them. Okay, there are some before we could trade them for days. But now they've removed the days. I'm not seeing any day. Now, I need you to understand, in this same market, you can also trade the forex market, the normal forex market. But what you observe is that every normal forex market, those are the ones that you see days. If you are doing touch, it's days. Rise and fall, you can do minutes. The smallest minute is 1 hour. They've even reduced it. Hey, it's been long I've come here. They've reduced it. Okay. Oh no. Okay. I was wondering. You see, minimum 15 minutes. Okay. That's one of the reasons why I could not trade the way I was trading on IQ option on Deriv. Okay, because all the ones who could trade on IQ options, they are not available like that here on Deriv. Most of all these forex market, they are not available like this, okay, where you can use 2 minutes, 1 minute, or whatever, 5 minutes. You can see minimum 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. It means you are going to stay in the market for 15 minutes. Okay, so if you stay in the market for 15 minutes and you predict, guess what? You will be able to make. Now, he said, can you see what they wrote here? Can you see the market is closed? Are you seeing it? It's closed. So what Deriv actually did is to make sure that they promote their own synthetic indices more than they promote the main forex market. So can you see they are referring you? Go back to the one that is available 247 because today is Sunday. It means you cannot even trade it. It's not available until the normal market day when it's available. That's when you can trade it again. Are you getting it? So they have the forex market. They have their own, they even have the stock market. They have commodities. Plenty. So there are plenty options you can trade for. Now you see all this derived basket is by Deriv. Deriv is the controller. Now then they go the manipulator. Now then go tell them when they go up. Now then go tell them when it go come down. That is Deriv. Deriv is responsible for all that. So you can see bear, bull. The reason why I like trading this bear and blue is because every day they reset them. It's not like they are not continuous. You can see jump index. These jump index are available for options trader to trade, and also available for forex trader to trade. These ones you can, let me show you an example. For instance, you can see rise and fall, match, differ, GDIT. Those are the ones available for this one. No touch, no goes outside available for it, because it's still new. Okay, it's still very new. Now, you also have the step index. These are indices that are being traded on the forex market, the MetaTrader. That's the forex version. You can trade them there. Even if you want to trade it for 1 minute and you buy and it goes up, or it goes to your direction, you can close it. That you are going to be trading on MetaTrader. Now, these continuous indices, they are continuous. No break, no reset. It continues to move. They are not resetting it. Unlike the one that they reset, it moves from 1,000, it can go to 1,200, 1,150, 1,000 whatever, and then reset back to 1,000. That's for this this first one, okay? This bear and bull, daily reset. Daily reset. Now you also now have all this volatility. There are 10 of them. Okay, they are you see the one that says volatility 10, volatility 25, volatility 50, 75, volatility 100. Those ones, they move. The prices move every 2 seconds. The price of that market changes every 2 seconds. Okay, so now let me show you and get back to let's say the bull. Remember, I'm now back to the bull. You can see bull, all the ones it offers. It offers rise and fall, higher, lower. It offers touch, no touch, ends outside, goes outside. Match, differ, even, odd, over, and under. Those are available. These ones are available. Now, you are not going to see accumulator here on this smart trader. Remember, this is smart trader. Okay? Remember this place. You have Deriv trader. If you're looking for accumulator, this is where you are going to find accumulator. Deriv trader. If you're looking for accumulator, this is where you're going to find it. Deriv trader. If you're looking for the one you saw me show trading on, is the smart trader. Now on smart trader, you're going to be able to trade all this touch, goes outside, any indices you want. But you're not going to get accumulator. And also, you are not going to get, what's it called? There is accumulator and there is multiplier. Now, there is one multiplier. You won't see it even on this Deriv trader. Okay, before, okay, it's there. This is the multiplier I'm talking about. Can you see that on this Deriv trader, you even have vanilla, you have turbo. Are you seeing it? Those are other versions of trading. No? You have multiplier. Okay, you have rise and fall. You have higher, lower, touch, no touch. You have match, differ, under, and the rest. You can see all of them. Now, these are all the ones available. Are you seeing them? They are all available. All these ones are available on D-Trader. Now, I need you to understand. You see these three, vanilla, turbo, multiplier, accumulator, those four, they are not available on smart trader. They are only available here. Now, also, this they are also available. Some of them are available on Deriv Go. This Deriv Go, it has multiplier and accumulator. Can you see it? Mobile app for trading, multiplier and accumulator. Mobile app for trading, multiplier and accumulator. Okay, it's just like separating those two and have it here on Deriv Go. Now, Deriv Go is also similar to like this D-Trader. It's also similar to Smart Trader. But I prefer Smart Trader, okay, because that is the first version of their platform, how it looks like. In fact, I think it's the second version of their platform, how it looks like. Okay, so I just say, let me take this opportunity to explain it to you. Now, some people will say, okay, like the person that I was saying made a comment about you're making 10%, 11%. When you experience a loss, it's hard to get it back. You see, if you are not disciplined, you cannot trade. Then the worst thing that the person used to spoil the whole matter is making referring to he preferred the version where he could use $10 to make $30 to $50. Good luck to you. Your name is Good Luck Jonathan. Good luck to you. Let me tell you one thing you should know. If you are able to be making $30 from $10 every day, my brother, you don't need anybody's help. You don't even need anybody. You don't need to hear from anybody. Just lock your ear. Block your ear. Block your ear. So that you will not hear any rumor, any information. If you can use $10 to make $40, $30, just stop it there, close, collect your money, and do daily repetition. You are okay. You are very, very much okay. But you see, person will never use $10 to make $1. You won't use $10 to make $30, $40. Let me tell you, once in a while you will get it, but you will dash the platform more money than you will ever make money. I can bet you, you will dash the platform more money than you can ever make more money. Because you're not going to be consistent. The key to consistency is discipline. If you could make that much, my brother, this advice is not for you. Go and continue. You don't hammer. You don't graduate. You don't need any other person to guide you on anything. But you see, if you cannot make 10 cents from $1, what guarantee do you have that you can make more from $1? It's all about discipline. It's about establishing. That is what majority of people lack. And to be able to incorporate it into, you have to start small. Okay, you have to start small. If I sell somebody now to trade the trade you saw me trade. If I send somebody now that, oh, can you trade like this? You just do pium pium. In fact, I'm going to give you an example. Okay, you just do pium 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 pium. Okay, like this now. I want to give you an example. Okay, I'm going to give a simple example so that you understand. Now, if you tell somebody, okay, this one gives me 9%, is even still too much. Okay, this one gives me 9%. In fact, let me use the profit for today. This is my profit for today. Don't worry, I don't mind. Right now the candle has reduced. It's not moving that much. Okay, if it starts moving again now, let me show you what I'm seeing so that you will understand. It's not moving. There is no much movement on the candle bar right now. There is reduction. You can see all this. There are small movement. So I'm waiting for, let me have one. If this one now, if it moves that much long, I will show you an example of what I'm saying practically. Now, you need to understand that, see, if you cannot use small amount to make profit and you are consistent about it, if you cannot be consistent, there is no guarantee that you're going to make money if you use 200. You are just going to blow it. And mind you, any money you lose on this account is gone. It is not going to come back. It's not going to reflect. If you lose money, it don't go. If you hear it don't go be that. So that's why we say trade responsibly. Trade risking what you can afford to risk, to lose. Any money you can afford to lose, no problem. That's what you should risk. Don't risk the one you cannot afford to. Okay, I've made my entry. I want you to see when I enter. Okay, 59, good. Now, I'm saying in 2 minutes, this candle, this price should end above these two lines. You can see the two lines I set, they are very small. Now, goes outside, The way goes outside is to say it will end across. It's going to pass it. So once it passes it, you won. You don't even have to wait till the end of 2 minutes for goes outside. But for ends outside, you have to wait the whole time so that you wait till the end. You wait till the end. So this one, we have to wait till the end. So what I'm simply saying is, if you want to trade on this platform, please understand before you start that the platform is basically for two versions. You want to trade Forex, you come here. You go to MetaTrader. Here, you see this place here. From here, you can go to MetaTrader. Are you getting it? From this place, you can go to MetaTrader. From this place is just options trading, meaning you are going to be trading on the website. You are going to be trading rise and fall, touch, digit, goes outside, ends outside, accumulator, multiplier, turbo, all those ones you've seen me show you. Those are the ones available here. So you cannot mix them together. Now, I'm going to show you this one now. If this guy ends within this price, this box here, it means I'm going to lose. That's simply what it means. If he did not go down, if he ends here, it means I'm going to lose. I'm not moved about losing it. If he did not go, it's not a problem because I know, currently I know that the buy is not moving that much. Okay, it's not moving that much. Okay, it just moved now. Now, what does it mean? I have made the profit. What it simply means now is I've won the trade. Can you see it ends outside? I've made 11%. I hope you're seeing this. I've made 11%. So it's as simple as that. There are some of them, they do not require you to have special skill, special ability before you can use them to make money. The main thing on trading option is discipline, consistency, ability for you to stick to your plan, trade your plan. So if somebody is saying, oh, you are trading for 10%, 5%, 6%, it's too small. What about losses, whatever. I need you to understand, there is a plan, there is a target. We are not trading to collect all the whole money. So if you are the type who is looking for $10 to $50, $10 to $100, this is not for you. My trading plan is not for you. Okay? Look for another person that can give you that guide, give you that understanding on what you can do. But mine is to help you make as little as possible and for it to be consistent. The reason why I'm reducing all the percentage, go and watch all my previous videos. You will see how I trade. 30%, 50%, 40% per trade. But why did I reduce it? Okay, why did I reduce it? I'll tell you why I reduced it. It's raining heavily here. Now, why I reduce it is very simple. I reduce it for one reason. The main reason why I reduce this is because of good result, good return. Once you are able to build confidence with the small profits, you will understand. You will have enough boldness. I can stake a whole $200 on Go Southside, or even this one, at one time, not thinking twice. Why? I have been able over the years to trade this with small, and be sure of my return. I have been able to trade it consistently and be sure of my return. Now this guy is at 1,003 something now. By the end of today, it's going to reset. By 1 a.m. it will reset back to 1,000 to start all over again. So look at the chart on a daily basis. It's going to reset itself back. So excuse me, this one is for up movement, while red bear is for down movement. This one is for up movement, bear is for down, is for red. This one is for green. And you will see some days it will go down instead of going up. So it is normal. It is normal. So I'm making this video explaining to you simple basic explanation, just to summarize some of the points I've already made in the live video question. where I answer questions and whatever. I need you to understand it's possible. Is it possible for you to make money with it? Yes, it's possible. But you see, you need discipline. Practice first. Practice. Then when you understand what you're doing, you will be able to make more returns. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video. If you have any question, you can leave your comment in the comment section.